In this video, we will be looking at our reservation management system. Reservations allow you to set aside spots in existing events for specific groups of volunteers and collect required volunteer information for the individuals in that group. One of the benefits of reservations is the ability to hold some or all of the open spots in an event, allowing groups and individuals to work alongside each other or reserving an entire activity for a particular group. We will show you how to add a new reservation, reserve shifts for a group, and then share those shifts with that group. To access the Reservation Management dashboard, click Reservation Management under the Event or Project Management heading. To add a new reservation, click Add New Reservation under Standard Options. Enter the code you would like linked to the reservation. This code should be unique to the group you are working with and can be reused for future engagements with that group. Next, reservation description is used for internal purposes only. Reservation contact is a quick reference on your main point of contact for this reservation. Group association connects the reservation with the group in the system so that when a volunteer uses this reservation, they will be automatically added to the group associated with it for tracking and reporting purposes. Finally, click Create Reservation and then click to return to the reservation dashboard at the bottom of the page. You will see your new reservation in the listing section below. To reserve slots under your newly created reservation code, click Manage Reservation Code on the left-hand side. Select the event within which you would like to save spots, then enter the number of slots you would like to reserve. Next, click Assign Event Reservation. If it is for a time slot event, you will need to select the specific shift that you would like to save spots in, and then click Assign Selected Time Slot to Reservation. Note that you cannot reserve positions in an event that is full, or if there aren't enough positions remaining. To share this reservation with the group, click the link button next to the reservation. You can then send the link in an email for the group members to use and register for the reserved spots. If you are reserving shifts across multiple events, use the link or the envelope button on the Reservation Management dashboard. Then copy either link that appears in the box to send group members to an event listing page filtered specifically for their reserved events. Additionally, you can give the group you are working with the reservation code itself. Then, when volunteers in the group go to your event listing page, they can enter their code under Use Reservation Code to filter for their events. Optionally, for a personal touch, you can add the group's logo so that it appears when a reservation code is used. To aid your volunteers in utilizing your newly created reservation code, we have an explainer video showing volunteers how to register with a group reservation. See the link in the description for this video. As always, if you have any questions about this topic or any other within CERVIS, please feel free to contact our customer support team by clicking the Need Help button at the bottom of the page when you are logged into CERVIS.